Hi everyone, thanks for watching Maple EV Leaf. Today we're going to review a dash cam. It's called FitcamX. It's a 4K dash cam made for the Polestar 2. Now dash cams can be really helpful by capturing crucial footage in the case of an accident, and this particular dash cam promises factory-like integration with the aesthetics of your car. Let's kick things off by checking out the packaging first. It looks pretty sleek and well designed, just like you'd expect it. The box highlights key features like 4K resolution, built-in Wi-Fi, and compatibility with a mobile app. Opening it up, we find two smaller labeled boxes inside, one for the dash cam and the other for accessories. I really appreciate the minimal plastic packaging, by the way. This is mostly all made out of cardboard, making it easier to recycle. Underneath these little boxes, there's also a user manual inside. This is the camera here. And the accessories. Wiring for the camera. And this plastic prying tool for installation. Now on to installation next. So I'll walk you through the process step by step. First, we need to locate the front-facing camera spot here, adjacent to the rear view mirror. And then using the included plastic prying tool, which came in the box, we are going to first gently remove the necessary plastic coverings here. It's crucial to really be delicate through this process to avoid any damage. So don't use any other tool than what came in the box. Don't use a metal screwdriver or so, as that could more easily damage the vehicle. And then once this is exposed, then we're going to connect the wires to the dash cam and reassemble these pieces then carefully. After you've carefully pried these pieces off, and again, the key word is careful, then put the pieces away for a little moment, keep them somewhere safe so you can find them still, of course. And now it's time to connect the wires. Once you've got the dashcam installed in the car, it's time to head to the App Store to download and install the FitcamX app that we need to use the camera. That installation process for the camera itself, by the way, was pretty easy, I think, and didn't take me too long. And FitcamX have great videos to help with the installation. In the app, to add the camera, it will ask you to connect your phone with the Wi-Fi signal from the camera, and that's how you get the two, your smartphone and the dashcam, to connect. Once your camera is synced up with the app, then you've got some handy options at your fingertips. You can check out live footage straight from the dash cam within the app or browse through your saved videos on the memory card. If you want to grab a clip or snapshot, you can just tap to download it to your phone. There's a quick heads up though. Downloading the videos over Wi-Fi does take a minute, so you have to sit tight. These files pack some size, over 100 megabytes each, so it's not just lightning fast. If you're snagging a bunch of video files, then maybe consider popping the memory card into a card reader and connect it with your computer for a speed boost. Now, let's talk about picture quality then. Day or night, it's pretty stellar. crisp and clear visuals to pick up the smallest details, license plates, all of that information. That's so important. Plus, this camera's got a bit of brains too. It can actually detect collisions and lock down the footage automatically to safeguard it from deletion. You can tweak camera settings and you can shoot feedback and questions over to the manufacturer from within the same app. And you don't need to worry about a cluttered interface in this app either. It's all quite straightforward. Okay, so this is a pretty great dash cam, I find, and why you should choose this one over the many options in the market. Well, it's sleek, it blends in with your car, and it offers great video quality as well, I find. It's pretty easy to install and easy to use. And for a sweet deal right now, I've actually got an 8% discount code for you. So if you check the video description, you can find that discount code there and snag this camera for a little bit cheaper. All right, thanks for watching our video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please consider doing so, and we'll see you next time. Thanks, bye-bye.